Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we're doing an in-depth analysis of NZDUSD, combining current events and chart data to make well-informed predictions. Recent news reports highlight a weakening US dollar, potentially boosting NZDUSD. However, concerns remain regarding the Reserve Bank of New Zealand's RBNZ potential for further interest rate cuts, which could exert downward pressure on the NZD. Let's start by examining the daily chart of NZDUSD. Over the past month, we observe a clear downward trend in the NZDUSD pair, marked by consistently lower highs and lower lows. The price action has broken below several key support levels. Now, let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to see shorter-term trends. The 1-hour timeframe shows considerable volatility in NZDUSD, reflecting the current market uncertainty. We can see a series of shorter-term support and resistance levels that have influenced price action in recent days. The 15-minute chart offers an even more granular perspective on short-term price fluctuations. This high-frequency data reveals a rapid oscillation between buyers and sellers, with quick movements from support to resistance. Short-term traders can leverage these sharp movements to exploit quick profit opportunities. From the daily chart, we've identified potential support at 0.56 and resistance around 0.57. Looking at the 1-hour chart, there are minor support and resistance levels within this range, but the overall trend remains bearish. On the 15-minute chart, we see a chaotic mix of buy and sell signals that can be exploited by scalpers. Based on the current bearish trend, and considering the negative news around RBNZ rate cuts, a drop to 0.55 is quite likely in the short term, 60% probability. However, if the USD weakens significantly, or if the RBNZ surprises the market with a less dovish stance, the price could bounce back. In the long term, 12 months, there is a potential upward swing towards 0.60, depending on broader market conditions. Important levels to watch for are the 0.56 and 0.57 levels as support and resistance. Significant economic data releases could shift the trajectory, creating opportunities for both long and short positions. Keep a close eye on economic indicators from both New Zealand and the United States, including inflation, GDP growth, and interest rate decisions. Any unexpected news about RBNZ's monetary policy will greatly influence the market and could trigger reversals. Watch out for any unexpected changes in the global economic environment. Increased volatility could create both profitable and risky short-term trades.